Howdy adventurers, I'm Brattyharp. Today we're going to be reviewing a product that I got for $5. Is this product going to be worth the $5? Well, that's the question we're going to have to answer today. I was shopping with my sister at Family Dollar and I was like, you know what? I need a new pair of headphones. So I found these headphones. Now, of course, I'm hoping that they're at least decent quality because the brand that they are. If they're not decent quality, then I'm going to be a little bit sad. But for $5, I can't really expect much for them. Boom shakalaka. We have the Sony MDZRX or ZX110. It is a powerful, high-quality sound. Oh, we'll be the judge of that. We'll see if it is high quality. The only thing I hate about these headphones, and I hate headphones that have this, as the L-shaped stereo mini plug. Most headphones that I had that had the L-shaped stereo mini plug has like broken within the first like couple of months. So I'm hoping that those don't break since these are Sony's, but you know, we'll be the judge of that. It also says it has tangle-free separation cables. It has both-sided cable and a cable length of approximately of 1.2 meters. That is cool. So let's actually open this bad boy up and see the stuff inside of it. So I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna, you know, once we get better at this, once you guys let me know, it's gonna be like little products that we do. There's gonna be big products we do, and just, you know, once we get an actual like groove into unboxing products and reviewing products things, then I will gladly, you know, move on to making a better setup. I don't have much room for like a good setup right now. I'm just doing what I can do with the setup that I have, and you know, I can't really complain about it. The other worry that I have is, besides the L-shaped connector, if you guys can see that right there, the L-shaped connector, is the earphones not really fitting on my ear that well. These do look cheap, the little earphones, they look like a cheap little plastic. The headphone quality does seem kind of cheap too. I mean, like I said, it is $5, but as long as it like stays on, it sounds good. I guess it don't really matter. So we're gonna try put it on. All right, so it's a little more comfy than I feel, but it also feels like I have two plastic bags against my ear. That's what it feels like right now. You know, it does kind of cover up my ears. The best thing that we need to know, and if you look at the wiring looks good. It doesn't look it's some cheap wiring that will tear in like a good couple of uses. So that is good. That is something that we're looking for. We want something that actually will hold together. But will this thing be able to play well? So I'm just gonna go to YouTube. I'm just gonna play like one of my videos and see how it sounds. Let's go with our stream. It has a little bit of a bass, a little bit of a treble, but it almost doesn't seem like it has mids. Let's try like playing a song real quick, at least like when I'm listening to music, because you know, I wanted something quick that I could quickly just plug in and plug out. I do have like a bigger gaming headset that I usually use to edit and stuff with, but I want something a little bit smaller so I can easily hang it somewhere or like fold it together. And when I saw these folded, I was like, yes, we're gonna try these out. So let me listen to a song, see how it sounds. Okay, this actually sounds pretty good. This almost sounds better than my gaming headphones. Now, like I said, I expected this, but this is great. These are actually pretty decent for $5. I love the feature of that they like fold up like this, so you can like you can even get like a storing bag for this and like store it if you wanted, and like just fold it up, have it all good and neat, which I love that. Was really worried, like I said, about the cable, but the cable does look like it's kind of like a heavy duty cable, which is great. That's what I like. The negative things about these headphones is I don't know if I really like how kind of not really plasticky, but how the headphone frame is. Now I have owned headphones that have that like this frame, and they have lasted me years. What broke off on it was like the sides. So I guarantee with these headphones, they're just gonna stay intact until like the sides fall off. Now, of course, you know, when you're younger, you don't really take care of your stuff that well. Now that I'm older, I take good care of my headphones and shit. So that is gonna be good. The other thing too is, like I said, will be the L-shaped plug-in for the connector and stuff. Now, I usually only buy headphones that don't have the L shape because I've had previous problems with them. Now, I'm hoping, since the cable is pretty good looking, but for $5, I would say it's a buy. I would say it's a good buy. Now, I'm not sure if this was like... Hello, adventurers. I'm just doing a little bit of research on headphones, the Sony headphones that I'm doing this video about, the Sony ZX10. And I'm just looking through them to see how much they were and stuff. So we actually got ourselves a pretty good deal here. We got these headphones for $5 at the dollar store. For $39.99, you get them at Fuse Electronics, which is way more expensive than the headphones need to be. eBay, you can get them for $10. Kohl's in for $20, and for H&B Photo, Video, and Audio, you can get them for $14.89, and then Groupon, you get them for $13.99. If you do ask me, I say we got ourselves a deal. And you can see down here, these headphones have pretty decent reviews. Ratings, or our routines, is 5.5 out of 10, which is, it's alright. NDTV Gadgets have a 3.5 out of 5, which is still good. And then the Photograph.net gave it a 6.1 out of 10. So these headphones do have a pretty good review. And if we go down to user review, there's a 4.4 with almost a 5-star rating. So we found a very good, or medium range good headphones right here. Now, also just want to say that this audio is going to sound bad because I'm using the camera's mic instead of an actual mic. A pair of headphones that, you know, they... Oh, I think we found a problem. Okay, no, there it goes. I was like, it won't fold in. For $5 at like a dollar store, that's a great price. I think they're gonna work fine. The only thing I would say is that these probably, you know, were a lot more, and then they just, you know, weren't selling as much. They lowered the price and just like gave them all out to like cheaper stores, or told them that they could like sell them for cheaper, or who knows, maybe they just got lucky and got a discount on them or something. The real problem will come to like having to use it for a long period of time. I feel like that's gonna be another problem, is just how small they are. I'm sitting there jamming, I'm like, yeah, it's probably gonna hurt my ears. But hello adventurers, I just quickly wanted to talk about the headphones for wearing them a long period of time. So I've been, for the last few days, I even edited this video by using these headphones. I would like to say, you know, if you're going to be listening to music for maybe 2 hours, or doing some stuff like editing or something like that for 2 hours, 3 hours, it's a little iffy, but the first day I had these headphones on, which was when I recorded this unboxing video, I went almost 4 to 5 hours without my ears hurting, and then I did some more yesterday of editing, and then after editing I went and listened to some music, and that was about 3 hours where it started to hurt a little bit. But I mean, it wasn't enough for me to stop listening to music. I still listened to music for another hour, and then I kind of went away. If you guys have like certain ears that like don't really fit these, then yeah, you're gonna have a problem when it comes to listen to it for a long period of time. But if you are looking for a good pair of headphones, these are pretty great. I would go to eBay to get them because they're $10 unless you can find them at, for example, your dollar store. But yeah, these, for the price that we got, these are phenomenal headphones. I almost want to go back, re-get them, get another pair, because these are pretty good headphones. Like I said, for a long period of time, it's a little bit iffy, but it is still a pretty good sounding headphone. Let me know in the comments down below other kind of products you guys want to see me unbox. Now, I'm going to be doing a couple of different things. I'm going to be doing just general product. So I'll be doing like one product review. I'll be doing like box reviews or multiple product reviews, or here's my top 5 product reviews. And it's going to be like tech. It's going to be like toys. It's going to be like all this other stuff, just to get more unboxing kind of stuff onto the channel. Because you guys eat that up like a fine dinner. You guys like... So I thought we'll continue it. You guys like it, I'll continue it. Thank you guys for joining me on this adventure. If you guys do enjoy it, make sure to press that like button. Let me know the cheapest headphone you guys purchased in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next epic adventure. Thank you for joining me.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum, that is scared.